for a world that doesn't even want you.
Jeez.
Listen, I've had visions. We cannot control what's set in motion. We have to trust God. I'm almost finished reading Revelation, and from what I know, we're to live like Christ could return at any moment.
Oh my God, I can't sit around and wait for someone else to show up. Listen, I'm only living my life the way I was created, and I'm here to set these people free.
I know this might seem like the end of times, but according to Revelation, we're only at the early stages. It calls on those who are against the mark to flee into the mountains.
Oh my God. You know what you sound like? You sound like you're getting a little too lost in this, my friend, okay? We are already set in motion with this. We cannot change it, and I cannot run from this.
What about us? The angel.
Get...
Michael! Look! There.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna trust you. But you know what? As far as you're concerned, your life is different from here on out. You want a home, you gotta follow me.
I know!
Do you have an idea what that book and the rest of the Bible have caused people to do? Their belief in it affects their decisions made in this world by imperialist countries bent on bringing about their own version of Armageddon. The unchosen ones burn in the lake of fire. I'm not sure I can work with someone who believes in this stuff. You're too good of a person to get too involved in this, Evelyn.
I think I know what you're saying, Alan. I want you to always feel comfortable with me. No, I love working here with you. I know this is to be respected, as I respect this holy book. I'm learning and I'll keep your advice in mind.